Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Discover credit card online. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process on it. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future uploads from our channel. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. And now on your search bar, type discover.com and press enter on your keyboard. And once you do that, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from there, you will be able to see this login box at the right hand side of your screen. Now you can type in your user ID and your password to get logged into your Discover credit card. Now in order to activate your credit card, you have to tap in this activate credit card option. And once you tap on it, you will take into the next page where you have to fill in all the details that has been asked. Now firstly, you have to choose if you want to proceed this or without logging in, and then type in the 16-digit card number, and after that you have to type in your card expiration date, and then you have to type in 3-digit sequence ID. And once you type in your card details, you have to type in your date of birth and then last 4 digit of SSN, and then you have to choose CAPTCHA, image CAPTCHA or audio CAPTCHA. If you have chosen image CAPTCHA, then you will be able to see this CAPTCHA here, and you have to enter your text tone over here. And if you have chosen your audio CAPTCHA, you have to listen to this audio and type in numbers that you hear. And once you're done with typing in that text or number here, tap on continue button. And if all the details you have typed in are correct, you will be able to activate your Discover credit card online. Now that was the quick and short video on how to activate Discover credit card online. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.